When it comes to welding temperature sensors, the TATE PT100 welding machine is the industry standard, perfect for PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples. This machine ensures precision and efficiency in every weld. The TATE PT100 uses advanced welding technology to ensure accurate temperature regulation, delivering high-quality welds without compromising the integrity of your sensitive components. Whether you're working with the high-precision PT100 or the versatile thermocouple, our machine ensures consistent and repeatable results. Its durable construction and low-maintenance design ensure that your machine operates smoothly, even in demanding environments. We are the trusted source manufacturer offering the highest quality and exceptional customer support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more details, contact info@oktate.com.